In this video, I'll be taking a look at yet another crypto debit card. This one is the Uphold card. Coming up will be details on the card itself, the pros and cons, including the fees associated with the card, as well as details on the Uphold app and exchange, and my personal thoughts on both the card and the app. Now, if that sounds interesting, then stick around. The Uphold card is a debit card offered by Uphold, a digital wallet and cryptocurrency exchange platform. It aims to provide users with a convenient and secure way to manage their traditional and digital assets. Now, before we look at the card, let's take a look at the app and the exchange. The Uphold app plays a crucial role in conjunction with the Uphold card, providing users with a comprehensive digital wallet and platform for managing their assets. Here are some key features and functionalities of the Uphold app. The Uphold app allows users to securely store and manage a wide range of assets, including traditional fiat currencies such as USD, EUR and GBP, and various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. Now, users can view their balances, track transaction history and access detailed information about each of their assets. The app offers convenient currency exchange capabilities, enabling users to convert between different fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies seamlessly. This feature comes in handy when users want to convert their assets to a different currency or diversify their holdings. The Uphold app provides competitive exchange rates for these conversions. Users can easily send and receive funds within the Uphold ecosystem or to an external account through the app. This functionality allows for quick transfers between Uphold users and facilitates convenient payments to individuals or businesses outside the platform. Now, it supports both traditional fiat currency transfers and cryptocurrency transactions. Uphold prioritises the security and privacy of its users, their assets and the data. The app implements robust security measures including two-factor authentication and encryption to protect user accounts and transactions. Uphold also complies with relevant regulations and industry standards to ensure a safe and compliant environment for its users, and is also registered with the Financial Conduct Authority. Now, as mentioned earlier, the Uphold app seamlessly integrates with the Uphold card. Users can link their card to the app and manage their card settings, such as enabling or disabling specific currencies, monitoring transaction history, and setting spending limits. This integration streamlines the user experience, providing a unified interface for managing both digital and traditional assets. The Uphold app complements the Uphold card by providing users with a powerful tool to manage their assets, execute transactions, and access a range of financial services. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make it a convenient and efficient platform for individuals seeking to manage both traditional and digital assets in one place. The Uphold card can be used for everyday purchases and ATM withdrawals. It's designed to provide a seamless integration between traditional fiat currencies and digital assets, making it suitable for individuals who want to have easy access to both worlds. So let's take a look at the pros of holding and using the Uphold card. First, we've got the Cashback Rewards. Now, you can earn up to 4% in cashback paid in XRP when you spend cryptocurrencies on your card, and you can also earn up to 2% when spending national currencies. Now, whether this is something that appeals to you depends on whether you're interested in accumulating XRP or not. The price of XRP has been affected like all cryptocurrencies have recently, but you don't have to hold XRP if you're not bullish on it. You can always spend it from the card. Next, we've got Versatility. Now, one of the key advantages of the Uphold card is its versatility. It enables users to spend both traditional fiat currencies and supported cryptocurrencies, providing a wide range of options for making payments. Now, this flexibility can be particularly beneficial for individuals who regularly transact in both traditional and digital assets. Then we've got convenience. With the Uphold card, users can enjoy the convenience of a physical payment card that can be used at millions of locations worldwide where Visa is accepted. Now, whether it's making online purchases or swiping the card at a local store, the card offers a familiar payments method that's widely accepted, making it convenient for day-to-day transactions. Then obviously we've got the integration with the Uphold platform. Now, as the card is directly linked to the Uphold platform, users can easily manage their funds and assets through a unified interface. This integration allows for seamless transfers between different currencies and cryptocurrencies, enabling users to convert and spend their assets with ease. It provides a comprehensive financial management solution for individuals who hold both traditional and digital assets. So that's the pros. What are the cons of holding and using the Uphold card? Well, first, there's limited acceptance of cryptocurrencies. While the Uphold card supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, according to what some users say, it's worth noting that the acceptance of cryptocurrencies may still be limited in certain locations and establishments. Now, users may face challenges when trying to use their card to make purchases or withdrawals in cryptocurrencies, especially in areas where digital currencies are not yet widely accepted. Then we've got the fees. So like many other payment cards, the Uphold card may have associated fees. These can include fees for ATM withdrawals and currency conversions. Users should carefully review the fee structure to understand the costs involved in using the card and ensure that they align with their own financial needs and preferences. There's also a fee for obtaining the physical card, which is £10 or $10, although this is much cheaper than other cards that you may have to stake for. Next, we need to rely on the Uphold platform. The Uphold card is tightly integrated with the Uphold platform, which means users need to have an Uphold account to access and use the card. This reliance on a specific platform may be a disadvantage for individuals who prefer to use multiple platforms or who don't want to have their assets tied to a single provider. Now overall, the Uphold card offers a convenient way to manage and spend both traditional and digital assets. Its versatility, integration with the Uphold platform and widespread acceptance make it a compelling option for users seeking a unified solution for their financial needs. However, users should also consider the limitations and associated fees before deciding to hold and use the card. So, is the Uphold card worth having? Well, as I've said in previous videos, I think it's wise to use many different crypto cards depending on the situation. Now, I currently use 3 other debit cards and will be using this card as and when is necessary. Now, I'm not particularly bullish on XRP, but there's no reason for me not to take advantage of those 2 to 4% earnings and then either spend it on the card or transfer it to other coins or assets in the app. Now, you don't need to get the physical card. The virtual card will suit most people, especially if you use Apple or Google Pay. Now, I will leave a link to the Uphold card down below if you want to try it out for yourselves. Obviously, this is a referral link, which means I will get commission if you use my link. I'm not getting paid or sponsored to do this video. If I do ever get paid or sponsored to do a video, I will always make it known up in the top there across the video. It will say a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. It's my own personal opinion of the Uphold card. I think it's a great card. It's one that I will be adding to the collection. I'll see how things go over the next couple of months. Any questions or comments on the Uphold card or anything else, please leave them down below and I'll see you again in another video.